Oh my god, it's perfect, bro. We just hit our 300 mark. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna remove liquidity. What you want to do is go back to the website, click on the minus button, remove liquidity 100%. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, come on, it's loading. Come on, come on, come on. And then boom, we just made. You're not gonna believe what's in my Phantom wallet. I made well over $632,000 in just 1 month of launching meme coins on my secret website on the Solana blockchain. Let me show you exactly how I did it. No one is going to save you. How many times I have to repeat it? No one is going to save you but yourself. You are the one that is in control of your destiny. And when it comes to meme coins, you cannot be trading them. I speak from experience. Every single day after school, after every activity I had, I would try to make it in meme coin trading. But let me tell you, this is not the way that I made my money. The true way is by creating meme coins, waiting for them to pump, and then removing the liquidity. It's as simple as that. No big gimmick, just that. If we go over to this chart, for example, they all have one thing in common. They are all going to end at 0. And how are you going to create these coins? If we go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will allow you guys to create your own meme coins. And the thing that is so good about this website and strategy is that it is fully repeatable, and you can do it as many times as you please until you are rich. And the thing is, once you get that one coin that hits a high market cap, you're never going to want to turn away. I'm telling you guys, this strategy is not for the weak-minded, but it is super easy. Just creating meme coins all day, waiting for one coin to hit, and everything can change. Stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. The reason you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, is the only website on YouTube that is completely legit, and your coin will be launched in seconds. Now, why is this? Now, when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, token gets put straight to the liquidity of Raydium. Now, what Raydium liquidity pool is basically where all the biggest coins are put. Now, you will be getting way more attention, way more buys, way more eyeballs, so way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because it is too saturated. There are too many coins being created left and right. Your coin will be dumped into this ocean of bullshit. And another thing that is annoying with Pump.Fun, your coin will have to reach $90,000 in market cap for it to bond over to the Raydium DEX. Complete waste of time. Now, the easiest way to make a shit ton of money by going to the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab entails is a whole ass section on the website trying to find meme coins that are proven to making you a shit ton of money. It goes through all the bullshit coins, finds the one that are actually proven to make you money. And my golden rule, my golden strategy is to find a meme coin with a market cap of around 30,000 and above. So for example, this one would be perfect. And my second golden rule is that it has to have a last bought in under 15 seconds. So for example, all of these coins, so from Drisby until America's 250, these coins are all juicy ass coins to make a shit ton of money. And it only takes one coin to change everything, and one click create your coin. That's all you guys need to do, as simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're going to create the coin. Just going to write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now, if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.